Got some exciting news for all of our friends that are taking Lifecycle Engineering's reliability and maintenance certification programs, and especially our friends on the West Coast. My name is Bill Wilder. I'm an executive director at Lifecycle Engineering, and I'm pleased to announce that Washington State University in Everett, Washington has become the fourth university to offer Lifecycle Engineering's reliability engineering, maintenance management, and work management certification programs. Just 1 hour north of Seattle-Tacoma Airport in a beautiful new building, I'm confident this is going to be one of the favorite locations for people taking the public classes. Although they could take them in South Carolina, Kansas, Ohio, and now Washington State. So we've got the entire country covered. Not only that, we've had 25% more classes, so it's more convenient and comprehensive than it's ever been for you to be able to build your reliability and maintenance competency skills. So find out more information. Go to lce.com for information on the certification programs. And if you want to see some on the new location, you can visit everett.wsu.edu.